If your progress on the guitar has stalled, then this channel is for you. At DYMECAST, we help intermediate guitar players break through the hidden problems that keep them stuck for years. Maybe your solos sound too much like scale exercises. Maybe your chords feel stale. Maybe your melodies aren't really hitting the way that you want them to. Or maybe it's your ears, your timing, your technique, or your knowledge of the fretboard that needs some work. If you practice a lot but still don't feel like your playing is moving forward, then you are in the right place. Our mission here at DYMECAST is simple: provide you, the viewer, with a clear path towards playing guitar with more confidence, more expression, and more control. We don't believe in gimmicks, quick fixes, or shortcuts. We believe in practical steps, honest guidance, and structured help from experienced teachers who actually know how to get results. If you want to replace confusion and guesswork with real growth, subscribe to DYMECAST and let's defy your musical expectations.